Welcome to idealprogrammer.com. My name is Harvey. I'm a philosopher and also a programmer. My goal is to make the next few minutes the most valuable minutes of your life. At this website you'll find over 300 hours of free .NET video tutorials that you can watch on a DVD player, a TV, or a computer. Today we're talking about modern software VB with SQL Server. Before we get started, I would like to say a few minutes about the philosophy of the blog. It's called Ideal Programmer. In philosophy, what you find when you go back and look at the history of ideas and the philosophy of ideas, that there's a lot of talk of ideals. What an ideal is just a whole picture of the way something ought to be. We compare, for every object, there's an ideal in our brains that we compare the actual object to. If the actual object does not exactly match the ideal, we feel a tension within us. And we can take action to transform the actual object into the ideal, and that will reduce the tension. We need to take massive amounts of action. Anyone can take a simple action, but the goal here is to take massive amounts of action, transform the actual things into ideals. This concept of actual and ideal object producing a tension within us also applies to our individual self. We feel a tension within us to the extent we do not look to our ideal. This is the strongest source of tension in our lives. And by strongest, I'm not talking about the most intense. I'm talking about the most enduring. When we have a fit of anger, the tension that we feel is more intense, and it causes us to override this more enduring type of tension. But later on we feel sorry, I wish I hadn't have gotten so angry, because the more enduring source of tension arises that short term. So it is with other short-term tension that arise from other basic needs not being met. So the goal on the website is to provide us with ideal models of good program techniques, and to provide us with specific courses of action that we can take to transform ourselves from who we actually are now into who we ideally want to be. I'm going to click on this link called Modern Software VB, where you'll see over 15 videos from Joe Hull, Dr. Joe Hull, who's an ideal model for us to copy ourselves after. You scroll down, this grabs each video. Each video is about an hour and a half long, and we get to databases. One, relational database design, SQL, and stored procedures. This is a video we're highlighting in this video. And here you'll learn about basic relational database design, local databases versus database servers. You'll learn about structured language and stored procedures. Thanks for watching, and please come to idealprogrammer.com to watch this video and many more like it. Thank you. At idealprogrammer.com, you'll find over 400 hours of free .NET videos. You'll learn how to become an ideal programmer by modeling yourself after over 50 expert instructors. These are the best instructors in the field. They either work for Microsoft, or they're Microsoft evangelists, or they've how they distinguish themselves in some way. you'll have access to Progress Monitor, which is a tool that makes it easy for you to track the videos you've watched. When you've got over 400 hours of video laid out for you in a highly organized syllabus, it's important to be able to monitor which ones you've watched. It makes it more fun to see your progress as you go along. And this tool does just that. You'll learn how to burn videos to DVD. Now this is important because it allows you to decouple yourself from the computer, and you can watch videos on the TV or a portable DVD player anywhere you want. And finally, you'll learn how to demonstrate your skills. Instead of just telling people that, oh, I can do this, you'll be able to demonstrate your skills by building a portfolio of websites with Discount ASP. So I highly encourage you to come to idealprogrammer.com right now. You'll be better for it, and you'll become more like your ideal self.